Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and for our last activity with Dr. Young and our Newts, we're going to explore a claim here that we should be supporting with evidence using our histograms from our Newts. This is the histogram we've looked at in previous lessons, and we're going to kind of pull everything we can from this diagram and histogram to support our claim. So let's take a look. Our new claim says that the new population became more poisonous because the snakes in the environment caused poison level 10 to be an adaptive trait. The newts with the trait were able to live longer and reproduce more than other newts. So hopefully this claim makes sense and there's really nothing in there that's catching us off guard. If so, make sure you check in with me. Otherwise, our goal is to take this claim and support it with evidence that we have from this diagram. And in the diagram, you'll see we have our population from 50 generations ago. So we have our histogram data here, along with some environmental information. We know that time has passed, and then we have a new histogram with our population today and some environmental information as well. And our goal is to use what we have in this histogram, in this diagram, to support this claim. So we should be pulling out evidence that connects with all the different parts and pieces in this claim, along with pulling in some of our key ideas and vocab to help explain what's going on. So this diagram is obviously available to you within the slideshow, but let's go ahead and look at in the Amplify page how we're going to go about supporting our claim with evidence. So when we get to the Amplify page in the homework section, you have your claim, and that will be available to you as well. And your job is to use our vocabulary here along with our diagram to have a response as to why our claim is supported by evidence. So you might want to start with the Newt claim is supported by ... And this is where you're going to pull in your evidence. Okay, this is where you can say, evidence number 1, evidence number 2, and then last but not least, evidence number 3. And this is again where you can pull in your evidence from your diagram, from the histogram and such to support what the claim is all about. When you're done, maybe explaining not only what is supported in the claim, but also what evidence you have, now is a good time to double check that you have all the vocabulary words in there as well that help support your understanding and your overall connection between the claim and the evidence. So we are using our diagram to support our claim, and we are putting our response in here with our evidence as to how the claim is supported, and we are using our vocabulary to further demonstrate our understanding of what's happening with our newt population. When you feel like you have good, strong evidence, when you feel like you've used your vocabulary, go ahead and click the hand in button, and as always, check in with me if you have questions. At this point, we should be completing our survey for the guide video, and call me in if you put your X in the red or yellow section. Hopefully, if we have questions, we reach out. Otherwise, good luck.